Water Audit Optimizing Water Efficiency for Sustainable Business, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us. We are URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, your trusted partner for inspection, certification, audits, sustainability, and compliance solutions. Water is one of the world's most valuable natural resources. Every industry, commercial, establishment, institution, and municipality depends on water for operations. However, increasing water scarcity, rising utility costs, climate change, and stricter environmental regulations have made efficient water management a business necessity. This is where water audits play a crucial role. In today's video, we will discuss what is a water audit, why it is important, objectives and benefits, water audit methodology, industrial applications, water conservation opportunities, regulatory compliance, best practices, how UHS International can help your organization improve water efficiency. Let us begin. What is a water audit? A water audit is a systematic assessment of how water enters, is used, recycled, stored, and discharged within an organization. Its primary objective is to identify water consumption patterns, areas of excessive usage, water losses, leakages, opportunities for recycling and reuse, cost-saving measures. A professional water audit provides organizations with a roadmap to improve water efficiency while maintaining operational performance. It helps answer important questions: where is water being used? Is water being wasted? Can wastewater be reused? Are there hidden leaks? How can overall water consumption be reduced? Why water audits are important? Water is becoming increasingly scarce across many regions of the world. Industries are facing higher water tariffs, regulatory pressure, sustainability expectations, ESG reporting requirements, climate-related risks. A water audit helps organizations reduce water consumption, lower operating costs, improve production efficiency, minimize wastewater generation, enhance environmental performance, support sustainability goals, improve corporate reputation. Organizations that need water audits are valuable for almost every sector, including manufacturing industries, chemical plants, pharmaceutical companies, food processing industries, textile industries, automobile manufacturers, steel and metal industries, hotels and resorts, hospitals, educational institutions, commercial buildings, municipal water utilities, power plants, paper industries, mining operations. Every organization that consumes significant quantities of water can benefit from a professional water audit. Objectives of a water audit. The key objectives include: assess water consumption, means measure total water usage; identify water losses, means locate hidden leakages and unnecessary consumption; improve process efficiency, means optimize production processes that consume water; enhance recycling, identify opportunities for reuse and recycling; reduce costs, lower water purchase and wastewater treatment costs; improve compliance, support compliance with environmental regulations; promote sustainability, contribute toward responsible water stewardship. Water audit methodology. A professional water audit generally follows these steps. Step 1: collecting of existing data. Review water bills, utility records, production data, water drawings, process flow diagrams. Step 2: site inspection. Inspect water storage tanks, pipelines, pumps, cooling systems, boilers, process equipment, domestic water facilities. Step 3: water flow measurement. Measure incoming water, process water, cooling water, boiler water, domestic water, wastewater discharge. Step 4: leak detection. Identify pipe leakages, valve failures, overflow conditions, distribution losses. Step 5: water balance. Prepare a complete water balance showing water in, water used, water recycled, water lost, waste water generated. Step 6: analysis. Experts evaluate consumption trends, efficiency, benchmarking, improvement opportunities. Step 7: recommendations. Develop practical recommendations with estimated savings and implementation priorities. Water conservation opportunities. Typical recommendations include leak repairs, process optimization, cooling tower improvements, boiler optimization, rainwater harvesting, wastewater recycling, STP treated water reuse, ETP optimization, low flow fixers, smart water metering, automatic controls, employee awareness programs. These initiatives help reduce both water consumption and operational costs. Benefits of water audit. Organizations experience numerous advantages. Financial benefits: reduce water bills, lower wastewater treatment costs, reduce maintenance expenses. Operational benefits: improved efficiency, better equipment performance, reduced downtime. Environmental benefits: conservation of fresh water, reduced environmental footprint, sustainable resource management. Business benefits: stronger ESG performance, improved stakeholder confidence, better regulatory compliance, enhanced corporate reputation. Now, how URGS International can help? URGS International Certification and Suction Private Limited provides professional water audit services for industries, commercial establishments, institutions, and infrastructure projects. Our services include water consumption assessment, water balance study, water efficiency assessment, leak detection, water conservation opportunities, rainwater harvesting assessment, wastewater recycling and reuse evaluation, process water optimization, compliance assessment, detailed water audit report. Our experienced auditors deliver practical, data-driven recommendations that help organizations reduce water consumption, optimize operational efficiency, lower costs, and achieve sustainability objectives. Conclusion: water conservation is no longer just an environmental responsibility, it is a strategic business priority. A professional water audits help organizations understand water usage, eliminate waste, improve efficiency, strengthen ESG performance, and support long term sustainability. If your organization is looking to reduce water costs, improve resource efficiency, and demonstrate responsible environmental management, URGS International Certification and Suction Private Limited is your trusted partner. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights on water audits, sustainability, ESG, environmental management, ISO standards, inspection, certification, and industrial excellence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.